everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is the end of April and I've been so excited to share with you my April thrift store finds this month. I say every month it's been a great month, but I tell you this month has been the best since probably before Christmas, just based on the quality things that I found. When I go thrifting, I don't go with any expectations. I'm just looking for craft supplies and I'm looking for seasonal decor and stuff like that. I tell you, my Goodwill store has just overpriced themselves to the point. It has kept me from even going into the regular store because I find such good stuff. So let me show you what I found. You know, everything on this counter here was a quarter or 50 cents, $1. There may be one or two things that she charged me $2 for. Like I bought my grandson a skateboard. She did charge me $2 for that. Or a basketball, I think, was $1. And I don't know why some of this stuff isn't in the regular store. So I said that last month. But, you know, I'm not going to complain because I'm just out thrifting for fun and it's just the thrill of the hunt for me. All right, the first thing I found was this Keep On Keeping On. I love that saying. It's from an artist named Laurie Siebert. You normally see her stuff at the Christian bookstore or maybe Hallmark store, something like that. Definitely higher end stores, little boutique places, you will see her stuff. Laurie Siebert. Look her up. She's got some cute stuff. I picked up this little ceramic rabbit. I'm all the time looking for little critters to go in my flower pots and my flower beds around the pool. You know, this stuff is not made for outdoors, but you know, after 3 or 4 months, if it looks shabby, I can just throw it away. They're just so cute when I stick them in a little bloom of flowers, like he's sitting in my flower pot. But this one right here does appear to be made out of the outdoor resin stuff. This little speak no evil, see no evil, hear no evil little frogs. They'll be so cute in a flower pot somewhere. Brand new in the box, wrapped in cellophane with these little hen salt and pepper shakers. Little enough where I can sit these on a little tiered tray and they just tie in with my little farmhouse decor, and just thought they were so cute. When you're paying 50 cents for it, you just can't pass it up. A brand new package of little lollipop sticks. These are great for cake pops. All right, this was a total score. This is a large Pampered Chef scoop. I already have the medium and the small. I just didn't have the large one. Looked it up on Pampered Chef. It's $20. And they're identical to the two that I have already in my drawer. Picked up this little mini whisk. You know, sometimes when you're just whipping up a little something, looks like it's brand new, never been used. Little stainless steel, or it's just good to have a few of these little tongs for serving purposes. A couple of these little picks that I could stick in a jar or something, a quarter a piece or something like that. I just liked them and I'll save those for the fall. This was brand new in the package. It's something that would go in your bread basket. Give us this day our daily bread, embroidered. Evidently it was in some kind of shop or something because it's wrapped up with the tags and everything, but it'll be so pretty in a bread basket for family dinner. I picked up this threshold little hook. It has the farmhouse style to it, and I may use that in a upcycle project or something, so you may see that again. Picked up this metal stapler, heavy duty stapler. She did charge me $1 for this because I asked her how much it was. I mean, you just really never know what stuff costs, but nothing's ever over $2 that I've seen. This was a total steal right here. A bag of little wooden knobs. I have a chest that I want to redo, and I wanted to take the ornate handles off, and 12 of these handles. I mean, I may have paid $1 for it. It looks like it originally was at a yard sale for $2, but solid wooden handles. If you've ever priced wooden knobs, they're $2 or $3 each at Home Depot. This is a cute little fall candle. On the bottom it says Hallmark.com, so we know this was at least $5 or $6, and it looks like it's been lit one time for just a minute, but it has just a fall smell to it. Picked these up just to throw on a little tiered tray. These two oversized acorns, I thought they were cute. Yankee candle jar. This is cranberry chutney. I actually have this exact one, and I love the smell of cranberry, so I'll just save that for the fall. This cute little crock looking thing, I'll use that maybe on one of my tiered trays. Brand new in the package, Reynolds foil baking cups. You can tell it's never been used is why I bought it. A couple cute Christmas things. This little 2x4, it's got the tag on it. It was originally $15. Some kind of Christian store or something. Just so cute, and I'll put that up in my Christmas stuff. This adorable little carved joy thing. It's made out of wood. Love that. She may have charged me $1 for 2 or 3 yards of that burlap fabric. This jute twine that I will use crafting at some point in time. A few spools of ribbon, this cute red gingham. That'll be so cute with watermelons, summertime theme. Red sparkly for 4th of July, and I just love this. This is a vintage Santa ribbon. It's 2.5 yards, perfect for a wreath bow. Just love that Santa ribbon. Oh, here's the other candle I got. This is TJ Maxx on the bottom. It was on clearance for $4. It's never been lit. You can tell that it's a wood wick, those kind that crackle. But I just love it because it has a little church and the Christmas tree. So I'll just put that up for December. Got a few little wax melts. One of them is this Sun Sensations. That one is Walmart. This one says Sonoma, and it is Kohl's. And this one is Scentsy Sugar Cookie. I mean, this one alone is $5 if you buy it from a Scentsy rep. Now, here is a total bargain I got. This is brand new in the tags, a North Face little crossbody bag. Brand new, never been used. And I thought, you know, why didn't this go in the regular store? I don't understand. Some places were selling them for $60, but you know, I'm going to keep it. I think it's great to take on vacation. Plenty big for my phone and little things that you need, and I'm just excited to have it. These are those floral pins, and this is what I used to create some of those flower wreaths using deco mesh. I may do one of those at some point in time using those, and these are about $3 or $4 a pack at Walmart. Now, here is something I absolutely love. They were in the box, but when I opened the box up, her little head was broke off. And I just put 2 spots of super glue on there, and I just want you to look how adorable these 2 pilgrims are. I mean, why these aren't in the regular store, I have no idea, but so cute. And I may have paid $1 for the set of them. And here's the last thing I want to share with you. Brand new with a tag on there. It says $9.99 from Old Time Pottery. It's a big home decor place that we don't have one anymore, but I used to love shopping at Old Time Pottery. But so cute. I'm surprised this was only $10, but how cute, this big wicker pumpkin that I'll find somewhere to put this fall. She may have charged me $2 for this, and I'm really not sure if it was $2. So this whole thing that you're seeing was probably $20 for all of it. If that isn't a bargain, I don't know what is. So I hope you enjoyed seeing some of the great things I found, and you see why I said this was one of my better thrifting months. So thank y'all so much for stopping by, and I encourage you to go thrifting and be consistent with it because you can find some great things. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.